welcome to Bang Olufsen Scottsdale. I'm Kimberly Watt, owner and operating partner. Today we're going to talk about the Beoplay H95 headphones. This is Bang Olufsen's premium headphone. They came out for the 95th anniversary celebration of Bang Olufsen. What you can expect from Bang Olufsen, of course, with their flagship headphone is a premium product. But before we dive into the headphone itself, I actually want to talk about the beautiful case that it comes with. It's a nice, sleek case. It's hard, has an pearl blasted aluminum finish. Additionally, inside of the headphone case is ease of storage for the headphones. They collapse and fit in there nicely. But I also wanted to show this little feature. It's a beautiful storage area for your cords that come with your H95. So not only do you have the charging cable in here, but you also have a way to connect to, say, like an in-console media or a more traditional, maybe an older iPod or something like that that you'd like to connect to. As expected, Bang & Olufsen has their beautiful branding and then a premium finish on the cords and the storage for the cords. I like this box. It specifically fits in my travel backpack, so I'm not looking to store it, or I don't have to worry about the headphones getting damaged as I travel. So I think this is a super feature. A lot of headphones don't come with their own cases, so you have to find something that'll work, or the case is really only meant to be temporary, or maybe a travel bag. So I think this is an additional nice feature that Bang & Olufsen thought of when presenting these headphones. So the H95 headphones have custom titanium drivers, as you can see here. They have been tuned specifically by Bang & Olufsen's in-house tone meister. So it's a nice feature to have with these headphones. These are a over-ear headphone versus an on-ear headphone. So you're gonna have more of an oval shape. I do like the over-ear versus the on-ear. They just seem a little more comfortable. I can get a little more wear out of them. The other thing is of course I wear earrings, so I don't have to worry about any of the earrings pressing into my head. So I like that feature. It's just more comfortable headphone. So the ear cups themselves are premium lambskin, so they're beautiful. And then this is memory foam. So again, we're looking for longevity. It's really nice when you're on a flight or you're working a conference call or a conference meeting and you need your headphones on. You can wear them long term. This headband itself has, even the stitching has been thought out on the headband. This is a cowhide, and then even the headband up here has memory foam. So again, we're looking for long use, travel, just very, very well thought out of client-centric thinking. The other reason I like these headphones is that instead of maybe a touch feature, which Bang & Olufsen has done a lot in their previous headphones, they have a dial. I love the dial. If I want a volume up, I simply do my dial. If I want a volume down, same thing. Just ease of use, so just dial. The other thing is there's 5 levels of active noise canceling, and you can make the adjustments again with the left dial. So it's very easy to use. I did crank it up when I was on the plane. So I got to enjoy what I was watching instead of what was going on in the plane noise. It's always shocking to me when you take them off and you've had active noise canceling on, because it's surprising how much it actually tunes out, even just the residual noise from the plane. You can expect about 38 hours of playtime from your headphones. They do charge pretty quickly. It's a 2-hour charge. If you're not using your active noise canceling in full capacity, you can expect about 50 hours of playtime with them. So the Beoplay H95 comes in 4 standard colors. There have been a few specialty launches of limited edition. We currently have the Ferrari edition available in our showroom. There is limited stock on it, so if you're a Ferrari person, I would definitely get into your local dealer and pick up a pair before they're sold out. The other beautiful thing about these headphones is that they have 4 microphones. So if you're somebody like myself, I use a lot of Teams meetings or Zoom meetings, so I tend to need to speak or present in them. And I like that the microphones pick up my voice. They're just clear and crisp, and even if my camera's not on, people don't necessarily know that I'm using headphones when I'm presenting. These are very, very comfortable, meant for long use, and the sound that comes out of them is amazing. But the additional beauty of the product is that through the Bang & Olufsen app, you can make modifications to your listening preferences. That's through the Beosonic feature in the Bang & Olufsen app. So if I'm listening to a certain kind of music and I want something a little more bassy, I simply just go into my app, make the adjustment through the Beosonic feature, and now I'm rocking out to my favorite hip hop group. Equally, if I'm listening to a conference call, but I need to pick up some mid-range or somebody else that's presenting, just go into my app and I can make the adjustment or modification. The Beoplay H95 is the perfect headphone for the frequent flyer, somebody on the long commute who's looking for just a little getaway while you're on that plane or on that train or bus. Additionally, somebody who's working from home or does a lot of computer time, again, gives you some ability to tune out what's behind you and enjoy what you're actively listening to. Well, I'm Kimberly from Bang & Olufsen Scottsdale. Well, I could spend all day talking about these headphones. I'd really encourage you to visit your local dealer and test them for yourself. It's definitely an experience to have in person, to listen, and then also to try out the comfort of them. If you're in the Scottsdale area and you'd like to visit us, our address is 7430 East Buthurst Drive, Suite F, Scottsdale, Arizona 85260, or call us at 480-515-9288. We look forward to seeing you.